Good morning everybody, how you all going today? Beautiful Sunday morning here. We'll go outside in a minute. I've got a lot happening here before we can go on holidays, and I'm just showing you where we're up to now, and then we'll go for a walk outside and have a look. Okay, I've got a really big unboxing to do. It's big for me. I don't know if it's big for you because it's taken me over the 6 months to organise this. But it's organised and it's coming tomorrow apparently on a truck, so we shall see. Okay, so where are we up to, Chris? What are we doing? All right, let's have a look at this. Okay, so we're ordering 12 solar panels. Okay, those ones there, and we're ordering 440 watt solar panels. Okay, that's what they're called. And we're replacing, now they're not the oldest solar panels on my roof, but believe it or not, they're the ones that aren't performing. Well, they're performing, but I can get more with the area. Okay, so that's a look at my roof. So that, in the yellow there, that's string 3. And that in the sort of purpley colour there, square, that's string 4. So I'm getting 12 of the Jinko Tiger 440 watt panels, and they're replacing those 12 there. And they're a bigger panel, so we might have to spread them out a bit, but I've got room. So, and that'll take me from, I've got the map here. Okay, so these are 1500 watts each. Okay, so we're replacing those, 1500 by 2 is 3000 watts, with these ones. Okay, it's 264 watts a string. Okay, which will give me a total string wattage of, for the inverter, a total wattage of 528 watts on the inverter. Now this is going on the 5 kilowatt inverter, the little inverter. So that'll almost max that out. The little inverter's got a 6.5 kilowatt, but I just haven't got my room on the roof to do that. But I will go to 5.28 or 5,280 watts. Okay, and that'll give me a string voltage of 224.4 volts a string versus 198.2 volts a string. But it'll give me 2,280 watts or 2.28 kilowatts of extra power, which would be fantastic. Okay. Always improving stuff. So there's going to be 12 panels, older panels coming off the roof that'll be up for grabs. If anyone wants to put a dibs on them, just let me know, or phone me if you got my phone number. If you haven't, just let me know. You can email me. My email address is on YouTube. I think it's in the description or channel description or channel contacts or something like that. But anyway, my email address is there for you if you do need to email me. All right, so that's those two. We'll go and have a look at those two in a minute. And also going on the 5 kilowatt, now that little power cabinet there, we're going to turn it into a just Dia. So the reason I've gone for a Dia battery, okay, and I worked really hard to get this, and that is sponsored. This battery is going to be sponsored because I just couldn't afford to buy it by myself and do everything else I've got to do, okay, like upgrade some of the panels and just make that 5 kilowatt inverter a true backup inverter. So if anything happens to the 8 kilowatt inverter, the 5 kilowatts got enough solar and everything on it to keep us going. So we have 2 complete systems that can run the house. The 8 kilowatt will run everything at once, and it's got more solar on it, But the 5 kilowatt, if we're careful, will run everything we've got as well. The biggest problem with that is that the 5 kilowatt, sometimes, you know, you get an electric kettle on, you get a toaster on, and like the computers are always on, there's certain lights in the house that are always on, the security system's always on. It doesn't actually take you much to get up to that 5,000 watts, okay, not much at all. All right, so we're putting this Dia LFP battery in, and there's the model number there if you just want to go look at it. These are sold worldwide, okay? I will have contact details and everything for the Australian people, because some of you, believe it or not, think these batteries, the Greenbank batteries, are too cheap to be true, but you know, they are a good battery. I'm running them. I'm enjoying the Greenbank battery, but some of you like to go to a brand name battery, so what better brand name is there than Dia? Okay, I mean, their inverters are just a one-shot inverter, so they do everything. They do solar, they do everything, monitoring, absolutely everything, and I can log in from anywhere in the world and alter it, make alterations, or do what I want to do with it. It's totally awesome. So anyway, let's wander outside now. I've taken this opportunity because Ziggy's just gone shopping, so this is the perfect opportunity. Now we're going to be looking into the sun a little bit here. The grass is wet. I'm going to get wet feet. All right. So basically, there are 12 panels right there we're going to be doing. These ones on this lower veranda. We're going to be ripping those off and putting new ones on. I think they're 250 watt panels or something, I don't know. I can't remember. 240s maybe. Okay, so let's have a look in this cabinet. Okay, so as you can see, there's no batteries in this cabinet. It's ready to be just a Dia cabinet. All right. So there's a unboxing video coming, and then we'll do an install video on that battery. Where did the battery go that was in there, Chris? Okay. The battery that was in there is coming in here. So this old NPP inverter just runs off my generator. So if I ever need to charge my batteries, I start my generator. This comes on automatically and just runs the DC charger, the AC-DC charger that's inside to charge my batteries. So we're going to put this 10 kilowatt, our beautiful Greenbank battery in here, and we're going to put another Lynx power in here. Now remember, the Lynx power in this first cabinet, I did a video, I put fuses in it. Okay, I modded it. So I don't need to mod this one, because the line's going to be fused already. And yeah, that should be goodly, hopefully. All right, people. So that's what Ziggy and I are going to be up to. We'll be unboxing video tomorrow, and I'm not sure, 1 or 2 weeks the new panels will be here. When we actually put them on the roof, I've got no idea, but it's got to be done. It's got to be done. And so that's what's going on here. I hope you enjoy this little informative video that lets you know what we're up to. We're always busy, and there's always upgrades to be made on systems. And I mean, we went 1 year with the old panels and everything else and never run the generator. Okay, so with an extra just over 2 kilowatts on the roof. Yeah, we should be laughing, really, no matter what happens. But I am interested to see what this little deer battery looks like. It's a slightly different setup than the green bank batteries, and yeah, I've got no idea. But when I do the unboxing video, I will give you Australian contact details and everything else, and for the rest of you in the world, Deere is worldwide. They really are worldwide. I mean, they've just been a huge success. Their gear is top quality. Their inverters, look, I cannot fault their inverters. Their inverters are just, I mean, they're very industrially built. They're just an awesome bit of kit, awesome bit of kit. All right, so there's the update for you. Yeah, we'll see you at the unboxing. Bye for now.